In this video, I will show you how to log in Optima Bank. So if you want to log in, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for Optima Bank, and then click the first result here. After that, you will see login page. Click this one. As you can see here, guys, click on this link option. This link on the top right corner. When you click this link, click eBank. And then from this eBank, you have this one, user and password. All you have to do, write your user and password. After that, when you write your user and password, click on login. You should be translated to better result. Click link. If you have a new forget your ID or password, just click forget your ID and then click I'm private individual or something like this. So guys, if you want to log in your app, you can log in also with your app. Just download this app on Google Play or official website. This is the official website. When you log in and download, scan this QR code for Google Play, and this is for App Store, and then you will see a login page just like this. So guys, I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.